Earnings season starts Tuesday with the big banks revealing profit news. Joel Hawthorne of the Morning Snapshot is here with us and the Trader Rundown. Joel, what are your thoughts on earnings season?
Yeah, this is a very interesting week we're approaching here with earnings and some names that I think can really be catalyst to keep the market head above water, so to speak. We have JP Morgan reporting soon. We have Goldman reporting soon. I think those are two names that are really going to really either add confidence to this market, which I think that we are entering into a week where confidence is very much needed to sustain a bit of an uptrend, or we could see ourselves kind of pull back a little bit. So time will tell.
What's up your sleeve for your trade of the day, Joel?
Right now, I'm looking at GE, and this is just off what I'm looking at on the tape. GE is not only has been recently had a buy signal put out by Goldman Sachs, but also looking at the order flow, the option order flow. There's just an enormous amount of buying on the ask of the calls out until out until January of 2021. I think post-COVID, Goldman has anticipated that GE will be a much stronger company, much stronger revenue, and have a higher stock price. So for that, I think that at GE right now, trading right around just under $7 or so, I think projection that Goldman has is going to be trading right around 10 or better by that time. So right now I'm looking at those calls, maybe even buying some shares, as I've said many times to you before, and maybe trade around those shares by maybe either buying puts against the shares or either selling calls against those shares. So we'll see what happens.
Before you take off, what do you think is key to this stock market? It's been moving on so many headlines.
I think I'm just watching the VIX. Every time the VIX touches 30, it seems to be a bit of a resistance level as of late. So as long as we can kind of stay above that 30 in the VIX, as long as we can stay below that 30 in the VIX, I think the bulls are definitely going to continue to kind of grind this market higher.
Thank you, Joel, for your Trader Talk.
Thanks for having me, Andy.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.